Helen Racelis, as head of the Technical Service Division of TRIS. So actually, nag-continue lang ako kasi I started as a research assistant. Actually, kasi na-employ ako before dito sa extension. Institute of Forest Conservation before. Sa Makili naman kami nakafocus. So, nai-apply ko rin later on nung nag-transfer ako ng position kasi may opening for extension. So, yun, yung experience from training farmers, yung dito sa Makiling. So, nai-apply ko rin dito naman sa TRIS. Although ang TRIS, we have varied training participants, both local and international. So, yun yung mga na-apply dito. So, our focus here, as based on our mandate, is to design, package, and implement training programs or projects related to tropical forestry, ecosystem sustainability, ayun mga ganun. I think based on my technical background, capability, so nai-apply through experience, 2 years of learning. So, pwede mong i-adapt sa sarili mo para to fit in with the required and tasks and responsibilities na it goes with your position. So, yun, through time. We have varied participants, local and international, mga administrators, managers, field workers, mga technicians, even teachers, trainers, ganun. Depending on the yung profile ng mga participants. Actually kasi dito sa amin, meron tayong tinatawag na regular course. So, parang open to all. So, open to all professionals. Basta related sa forestry, ecosystems, gano'n. Then we have also another set of training programs, what we call it customized. Yung tailor-made na training specific for a particular group. So, may flexibility kami na i-design in such a way that it fits into their needs, training needs and gaps. So, yun yung maganda. Usually, para to come up with a line-up of courses, so we have to determine ano ba ang in or ngayon based on sa mga needs ng ating clients. So, we conduct training needs assessment survey. So, based on that, last year, we have a particular training needs assessment survey catering to our DNR offices, yung clients, particularly sa DNR CAR. So, from there, we were able to determine ano yung mga specific courses na kailangan nila para upgrade yung competency requirements ng kanilang staff. So, based on that, mag-design kami ng training on that particular area or topics, then isi-sell namin sa kanila. So, kung interested sila. So, aside from that, yung iba naman directly contacted us. So, they're interested to, yung like yung staff nila to be trained on such topic or field of expertise. Like, usually yung sa GIS, application of GIS. For now, as general, kasi we've been in the training business for 25 years, running 26. Pero ano na yun, as training center, so marami na kami na-train. Parang later on, naging competitor na namin sila. Alam mo yun, lalo na yung mga taga-ibang bansa, like from Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, sila na rin mismo nag-o-offer. Oo. Tapos, aside from that, lately lang, parang yung Doon sa aming mga regular courses, kasi ina-announce yan ahead, di ba? Before, meron yung mga, like, lalo na yung mga international participants natin, meron silang mga sponsorship na nakukuha, like sa IPPO, basta meron silang ganun, pwede nila applyan. So, they can apply individually. Pero ngayon, wala nang ganyang opening. Unless, yung halimbawa, office mo, meron kayong funds for capability building program for your staff, pwede yun, ganon. Pero wala na yung before na from iba-ibang countries, meron kaming participants sa isang course kasi nakakuha sila ng funding support. Ngayon wala na. So, limited na talaga. Not unless meron kaming direct contact sa isang organization. Aside from that, within the college, within the university, may competitor din. Ang TRIS. Pag-design naman, like, yun nga, yung mga faculty natin, mga resident. So, nagpipitch din naman kami. Ako as technical staff, minsan ako na yung gumawa ng design. Tapos, ipa-assess ko na lang doon sa expert. Parang ganun. So, kami tulong. Tulong na lang kami. So, yung lang advantage kasi ako, yung linya ko yung field of expertise ko along forestry environment. Parang ganun. So, nakaka-deliver din. Medyo nagkaroon kami ng problem pagdating sa government to government arrangement. Meron kasi kaming dalawang way na through UPLB at UPLB-FI, UPLB Foundation. Mas preferred sana namin ang foundation kasi private. Mas mabilis. Matagal kasi pabalik-balik yung proseso, ang dami. Paperworks, yun. Tapos after ended, review pa, yung parang ganun. Mayroong mga deadlines pa na magka-track ka sa holidays, yung mga ganun. Kaya na-stop yung processing. Magka-canvas pa ng mga supplies and materials. Once na ang ongoing training, talagang yung coordinator, assistant coordinator, or what we call the training implementing team, hands-on talaga sila. Nandun sila. Everyday, parang gano'n. So sila yung nakatuto. Tapos kami din, we support. Pag may mga problems, like, the participants can directly raise issues and problems through their coordinator and also the administration, the police. So nandun naman kami agad. Then we have also, aside from yung verbally, they can also put it in writing kasi because we have evaluation forms. Actually, right at the start, we have that so-called leveling of expectation or training evaluation. So they can assess the whole training implementation in terms of technical aspect or yung sa pag-manage, yung administration, sa part naman ng training implementing team. So they can raise kung ano yung in-expect nila, yung ano. Actually, hindi tayo pwede mag-dwell lang sa classroom tayo. Talagang, mostly kung pwede, if, bang ratio ng engagement. Parang pag classroom session, kung pwede lang 1/4 ang classroom, pero more sa field. Exposure talaga. 75% kung pwede. Kasi sa bagay, sa field naman, exposure nila, na rin, may kasamang lecture discussion. Yun ang gusto nila. Hindi kasi ako directly nag-lecture. More on sa management kami. Pero sa management side, ang ko talaga ay when you have this training business, dapat as a manager, meron kang wide connection. May contacts ka, even your previous participants. Kasi by word of mouth, they can recommend you. Tatawag na. Especially this time, napakabilis kami sa social media, email, mga ganun. Ang dami mong nakilala. namin mo naging contact sa mga participants pagka pumunta ka sa field. Ang advantage lang, like sa akin, kasi not only I'm handling training, meron din kasi kami research aspect. So, especially may PhD dissertation. So, kinuntin ko. Pero related to forestry din. So, pagdating sa field, actually may pa-training din naman kami. Makikita mo, naging participant sa mga sa training, parang ganun. So yun, di mag-establish na naman ang contact. Kasi pagka, fresh graduate, di ba, papasok ng gano'n. For as long as yung pinag-aralan mo din naman, related lang doon sa papasukan mo. Through time, ano ka ng experiences, learnings, yung parang gano'n, ma-apply mo. Oo. Parang hindi naman talaga, package lang na dapat i-guide, doon ka talaga mag-work. So, social media, dapat active ka rin talaga. When it comes to marketing and promotion, dapat marunong. Kaya kayo, advantageous sa inyo. Para mag-dwell ka sa business na to, active ka sa social media.
The end na lang po.
Mabigat pala siya yun.
But we prefer mga administrator na kasi